You have a $1,000 account, you are using one standard lot, it's a question of time, that account will soon blow.
You 2 minutes.
Say, if you're not using a stop loss, you're putting your account at risk, and that's one of the reasons why you're losing money with forex trading. If you're consistently losing trades in forex trading, then this video is for you. Just come closer, let's start. Now, one of the main reasons why you're losing trade is because you lack proper risk management plan. Yes, you lack proper risk management plan. Now, it's so appalling that some traders pick trades without applying a stop loss. What is a stop loss? A stop loss is that function on your trading platform that helps you to limit your loss by closing the trade against you in order to protect your capital. You know, your stop loss is one of your simplest risk management tool on the trading platform, but some people don't use it for whatever reason. Maybe because one mentor told them it doesn't use stop loss, so they too feel they should not use the stop loss. Say, if you're not using a stop loss, you're putting your account at risk.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
And that's one of the reasons why you're losing money with forex trading. And some also trade with a high lot size. Now, there are recommended lot sizes for each account, but if you flout this rule and you want to hammer on the trade, you know, you have a $1,000 account, you are using one standard lot, it's a question of time, that account will soon blow. So not having a proper risk management plan will make you to keep losing trade as a forex trader, because if you don't practice this risk management rules, just a single loss can wipe out your entire account and you start all over again. Number two reason why you're losing trades and losing money in forex trading is due to what is called emotional trading. Now, one of the things you need to fight against as a trader is your emotions. You need to put your emotions under check if you must be successful with forex trading. Now, there are two extremes of emotions, that forex traders are exposed to. One is greed and the other is fear. Now, you need to put this under check. Greed is that side of you that wants you to make a big profit. Every now and then you want to double your accounts, use a high lot size and make crazy profits. All that comes under greed. But fear on the other side comes in when you have a losing trade and you are just afraid to pick another trade, or you see the market go slightly against you, which sometimes is a retracement, before you know it, to close it. So as a trader, you need to put these emotions under check. Now, another emotional side to trading is what is called over trading. That is just picking random trades. Every now and then, you are generating 20-30 signals in a day. No, you're not a scalper.
Continue.
So when you overtrade, it's a sign of having your emotions ruling you as a trader. And imagine you now have 10-15 trades which you placed, and all of them goes against you. Then your account can get blown in the process. So overtrading is another factor that will not make you profitable as a trader. And the third thing I want to share with you is about ignoring market conditions. Now, market condition in forex trading is not static. It's never static. Market condition is very dynamic, and some people have this mindset that, oh, I'm a technical trader, so all I do is just technical analysis. I don't care about fundamentals. Now they place trades some minutes or some hours before a fundamental release, ignoring the market condition that the fundamental release is coming up, and just shortly after the trade, the news is triggered, trade goes against them, and they end up having a losing trade. So ignoring market conditions will not make you a profitable trader. In fact, I will advise, anytime there's a fundamental event ahead, at least 2 hours before that event, it's advisable not to place a trade. If you are not going to trade that event, then stay out. If you must trade events, have the right strategy to trade the event. So we can also try another thing, that is, even if you see a technical setup, just hold on from taking trades. Wait till after the news is released, after which, if the news goes in your direction, now you can place the trade. That way you can have more winning trades as a forex trader. All right, finally, the last thing that you need to know if you have been having losing trades and not been profitable is that it shows you lack enough knowledge of what trading is all about. So you need proper education and even mentorship. And I would say that I'm a mentor. If you want to learn how to trade, you want me to personally mentor you, you can reach out to me. My numbers and my links are all over this video. You can click on them and reach out to me, and let's talk about your mentorship. All right, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.